welcome. This is my double-decker omnibus. Welcome to Main Street. The bus is original to Epcot. Still the Epcot symbols in the steering wheel. We're out early in the mornings, middle day, and sometimes in the afternoon. So welcome. Come and join us for a ride up to Cinderella Castle. Hi friends, we are doing a one-way trip up to Cinderella Castle. Is this something? Yes, ma'am. Just watch your every step. Use those handrails. Oh, okay.
Okay, folks, good morning and welcome aboard the double-decker omnibus. This is a one-way trip up to Cinderella Castle. Just a few rules. Please remain seated at all times. Please keep your arms, hands, legs, and feet inside the vehicle at all times. There is no eating, drinking, or smoking in the vehicle. And make sure children are supervised at all times, to be pleased. When we get up to Cinderella Castle, please remain seated until I call total and complete stop. And I give you the all clear to exit the vehicle. While right to the vehicle, make sure those handrails and watch your step, folks. Thank you, and away we go. Okay, folks, as we slowly approach Cinderella Castle, just a friendly reminder, please remain seated until I call double and complete stop. And I give you the all clear to exit the vehicle. While we're exiting the vehicle, make sure those handrails and watch your step, folks. Thank you. children are supervised at all times, may please. When we come down to Town Square, please remain seated until I come to the link code, please stop. And I give you the all clear to exit the vehicle. All right, the vehicle makes use of handrails and more transit. Thank you.